Hey, I'm Jamie and we're back. And you know, I did this video before and come to find out I forgot to turn my microphone on. So you just saw my mouth movement and nothing was coming out. Much like my cat, how it looks like at me. It's like it sees my mouth moving and I'm sure it just sounds like blah, 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 blah. So we're back. And this is just an update from my previous video of where I was trying to remove the grab iron from the side of the center cap here. In theory, the center cap should just lift out, allowing us to put the decure, the glue release, on the inside. However, I just wasn't able to get it out. It seems to be almost glued into place, which, you know, it's not the end of the world. I didn't want to mess with it anymore. I figure of breaking it and causing some major damage. So I just left it like it is. I got the grab irons removed from the cab by just using the same technique I used on the bottom, but doing it on the top and just applying very, very little de-glue agent. The decure, de-glue, decure, however you want to call it, eats away at the CA and allows you to pull the plastic piece out. So I used that to get it out, and that worked great. I also used it on the front of it to get those pieces removed. All of that was fine until I got ready to remove the windshield wipers and the horn. That proved not to work so great. The plastic windshield wipers actually broke off, and the horn just didn't come out successfully. The horn I'm not too worried about. I'm actually going to take it from the hood unit and put it on top of the cab, so not a big deal there. The windshield wipers, you know, they're not to scale. Let's just be frank. I think they look to be about at least a millimeter to 1.5 millimeter. It's just not to scale. I don't think they add any value, any aesthetic to the engine by having those windshield wipers on there anyway. They're rather large. So I'm just going to leave them off, and what we're going to do is actually patch the holes that they came out of, clean those up. The hole that's left on the hood, we're going to clean that up and patch that up here. And we're going to do all that in the next episode here coming up. I'm going to work on the body a little bit to get it prepped to where we need it to be. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, follow, like, or whatever. And I appreciate everybody that watches, and I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.